What up, guys? It's Tow Truck Tory again, back with another video. It's been a while. It's been a minute since I posted one, but I got one for you guys. Industrial carrier, Lodar Remote. I always like to say that because that's in the search engine. Lodar Remote industrial carrier. Ratchet binder. I got a 211 bow mag roller here on my industrial carrier. That's a big boy, 23 to 26,000 pounds, single drum roller. Down here in McDonough, Georgia, hooking it up, about to take it back to Atlanta. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple of tricks on how to use your ratchet binder. I know I got some other videos on there, but I'm gonna be demonstrating how we use the ratchet binder again. Remember, I told you guys, when you're hooking up when you're using a ratchet binder, you want to go from point to the unit, to the bed. And also I'm gonna show you, if you ain't got the bed hose, or some people call them the chain hose, the ratchet hook hose, whatever, on your bed, hook points. I'm gonna show you how you can adapt that with smaller chains. So I'm putting this thing on here now. Ratcheting it down. Show you a couple of tricks right here at front. Let me idle my truck down. Too damn loud.
PFG Tax can handle settlements and wage garnishment releases. A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau, PFG Tax has settled millions of dollars in tax debt.
Okay, guys. Show you a couple of little tricks here using your ratchet binder. That's the point. Like I said, if you don't have, if your anchor points in your truck are not big enough, you can improvise. You can take a smaller chain. I'm going to take one of my smaller chains. It's going to usually be shorter than this. What you can do is drop a couple of links down in the bed. Then you can hook your binder hook to it like so. So you put that one other chain down in the bed, hook the binder to it like so. Like that. Yeah. Always make sure again, guys, damn lawnmower going by behind me. Always make sure again that when you're using your ratchet binder, gonna wait for that lawnmower to go by. And when you're using your ratchet binder, that you're pulling it towards you. Now you can drop a couple of links down in there like that, or if you have a smaller hook, you can put the hook in there first. Because the hook on your binder may be bigger than the hook on your chain. If you got a 5/16, or if you have a 3/8, so it's a 3/8 that's on this binder. This is a 5/16 on this chain. And it's also, can be a 5/16 70 grade. This is also a, this binder, I think is an 80 grade though. So you can also get a 100 grade. But this piece of equipment, I had to use at least an 80 grade, because this is a 23,000 pound, at least an 80 or 100 grade. So I'm just only demonstrating this. This is not how I'm going to hook it up to carry it, but I'm just demonstrating how you can do it. Also make sure when you ratchet your binder that you're pulling it towards you. This is another little trick. I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up. show you what I'm talking about. But you got a point. Make sure you get you a little 6-foot chain. All you need is 6 inches. I'm sorry, 6 to 8 inch piece of chain. You can get it off a broke ratchet scrap. You can get it off a broke piece of cluster or a broke chain. Just have somebody cut you up some. Get you a Ziz wheel, or you can go old school, get your fucking hacksaw. You can put it like this, hook the chain to it, the point like that, ratchet that some bitch down. You make, even if you're driving a regular 26,000 pound flatbed, it don't have to be a big ass truck like what I'm driving. So, there's a couple little tips and tricks on how you can use these binders. It's 1,000 ways to use these binders. That are DOT legal. I like to ratchet mine down like so. When I'm pulling it toward, when I'm pulling the binder towards me, these something's gonna get tight. You got to ratchet them down pretty good when you're hauling some big shit. Wrap it around a couple of times. I like to do it. I had often, and I just drop the excess chain down into the hook point on my bed, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm going to do this on all 4 points of this unit here, DOT legal. I also like to stress the point. The Lodar remote for these units are very important. So when I was loading this thing up, smooth drum, it can have the potential to roll or slide. So I like to be in the unit when I'm loading it up. Then while I'm still on the unit, let my bed up very slowly, let it down to a safe, let the platform down to where I'm on a safe level, and I secure my bed. And I'm capable to do that because I have the 10-function Lodar remote. If you're doing equipment, guys, and you don't have a remote, I suggest you equip your truck with a remote. It's the best thing since sliced bread when it comes to hauling equipment. Yep. All right, guys. This tow truck tour with another binder, Lodar Remote industrial carrier video. Like and subscribe. I'll be having some more coming soon this summer because I'm gonna be busy as hell. Until next time, people, peace out.